Iftu Amin and her family were not expecting to pack boxes this summer.
The program is good for us. No down payment, no interest.
That program is part of this housing project for low-income families. The idea, volunteer 500 hours of your time with Habitat for Humanity in exchange for tenancy and eventually interest-free homeownership. But last fall, Habitat Edmonton changed their agreement, saying families would be charged a split mortgage, one of which would be interest-free and the other with interest. The charity said it was heavily in debt and this was a matter of survival.
We probably won't be here longer than 3 years.
If I approve for a housing from the bank, I won't apply Habitat.
Now, Habitat International says Edmonton should not have changed the agreement. It asked them to find an independent mediator and delay further actions with the families.
We're hopeful that Habitat will heed the advice of the Habitat International.
This lawyer has been working with nearly 60 tenants hoping to launch a class action lawsuit. He recently lost an injunction to delay the removal of tenants who don't sign the new agreement. Habitat annual reports show the judge in that case made 2 donations to Habitat Edmonton over the last 2 years. This watchdog says that's a concern.
The old saying is justice has to be not only done, but seen to be done. And that means it has to appear that it's an impartial court.
In a statement, the court said it could not comment on ongoing proceedings. Habitat Edmonton has denied any conflict of interest, saying it wasn't aware of the donations. It is now saying it's open to discussing mediation with the families.
COVID is around everywhere. If we end up in the shelter, maybe all my kids get sick, I get sick.
Without mediation, the tenants who refuse the new mortgage model could face eviction by the end of July. Rafi Bujikani on CBC News, Edmonton.